What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks, and also I'm going to throw in SPY and Triple Q in this video. And now let's dive right into Tesla, which is up 5.5% on the day. And if you look at this short-term downtrend on Tesla, this channel, now we're breaking out and Tesla trading above not only 200, also 203 orange line 13 SMA. Now we did not fill the gap down here today at 197.67, so there is a possibility here on Tesla we could be coming down here at 197.67 to fill this gap down here. We also have strong support at 197 because we have white line 20 SMA sitting at 196.51 at this moment, and below that more downside, we could be going down for a big pullback all the way down to 178 on Tesla. As of right now, it's out of this downtrend and it's holding 200 as a support, so watch this key level. Soon as we break 200, more downside on Tesla all the way down to 197.67, and below that Tesla can come down to 178. To the upside, we have resistance at 213, 214, and if you can get past that level, we're going to see Tesla hitting even 220. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, we are basically flat on the day after running back up to 253. And if you look at my screen, this was nothing but a dead cat bounce all the way up to 253. And now we're pulling back below 250. So Microsoft cannot get a breakout above 250 and then 251 outside 252. Blue line 5 SMA, it's not heading higher. We're going to see a pullback, continuation of that pullback actually, all the way down to 245. Microsoft needs to stay above 250. If that happens today, we're going to see a slow push back up to 252, 255, 258, and then 260. So on SPY, another fantastic day trading and shorting it 400, getting 396 puts. It was same day expiration, then I had to change because this thing ran up to 401, and guess what happened, guys? From $1.20 ran all the way up to $2, and now I think it's above $2 on SPY. So that was a great trade, and if you want to get my setups, my trade ideas, and 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out my Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now if you look at my screen, I mean, look at this, guys. 398.38. We have blue line 5 SMA and also exactly this uptrend from October lows, December lows, and now we should be holding that level, and SPY is not holding that level. It's trading at 397. So if you're a bull here on S&P 500, SPY needs to hold 398.39 or even better above 400. If not, we're going to see SPY coming down to 396, red line 50 SMA, and soon as that gives up, now if you look at my screen, lower Bollinger Band actually coming down, sitting at 394. So it's gonna allow SPY to come down even more, and soon as we break 393, this bear market trend line that is holding as a support, we're going to see more sell-off, possibly down to 380, and who knows, guys, we might be retesting 374 to even October lows down here at 350. Now to the upside, only way up if we can get above, especially this resistance right here, 398, blue line 5 SMA, and then 400, we're going to see more upside all the way up to 408 on SPY. And now we're going to look at Apple. On Apple stock, same story. If you look at my screen, now we're coming down to fill the gap down here at 147.19. And I was going to play Apple today, but if you look at my screen, never came back down early in the morning for me to buy the dip at 147. This thing ran all the way up to 149.17, and now pulling back, still up on the day, 0.85%. Now if you look at my screen, we have strong resistance at 148.29 blue line 5 SMA, and above that 150, 152, 153.35, 155. To the downside, we have strong support at 145 and the gap fill down here at 147.19. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we're going absolutely nowhere, and this thing went back up to 173 exactly, getting rejected by this orange line 13 SMA, and now it's trading below 170, not really holding anything at this moment. So Meta cannot stay above 172, 173. We're going to see a flush within next couple of days, all the way down to, at least in the short term, within next 3 to 4 weeks, 155 possible on Meta. Now this thing so far is holding, guys, and also we're not getting that breakout, so a lot of consolidation here on Meta, and looks like it's going to play to the downside, and this thing is going to come down to fill this gap down here at 153.58. It's not going to happen in one day, but slowly I think that is coming on Meta. To the upside, we need to break 173, 172, and if that holds as a support, we're going to see a push all the way up to 183. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, it's down 0.28% on the day, and Amazon getting a dead cat bounce early in the morning up to 95, and now it's trading at 93.22, and looks like Amazon coming down here to fill this gap early as tomorrow at 90.19. To the upside, we have resistance at 95, and if we can get above 95, watch out for a move all the way up to 97.28, and then 98.10 right here. This gap up here will also get closed, and then we also have resistance at 100. Strong support on Amazon at 90, so watch out for that dip buying opportunity down here on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're actually up 0.71% on the day, and Google looks like just getting a dead cat bounce after getting down to 89.61 today. So Google stock, guys, we have resistance at 90.85 blue line 5 SMA, and look at this, we got up to 90 today. So also Google not moving. If we cannot get above, I would say 90.85 or $91, Google coming all the way down to 85, and that is possible because look at this lower Bollinger Band now coming all the way down to almost 85. So watch out on Google stock. If this thing can break 91, then we're going to see a push up to 93.45 to fill this gap on top, and then 97. And now we're going to look at Triple Q. So Triple Q is up 0.5% on the day, and if you look at this move, this thing was up more than 1% today. Ran all the way up to 296 and getting a massive rejection at that level, and that's where we got rejected before also, and now it's trading at 293. Still, we got two gaps, or actually three gaps on bottom. The first one down here from today, 292.97, which is still open, and then 288. So if this thing cannot get above 296, we're going to see Triple Q coming down to 292.97, and then we also have support at 290. Below that, 288, and this gap down here will also get closed. We also got another gap at 273. To the upside, Triple Q can break 296. We're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 300, and then 303.15. This gap on top will also get closed if we can get above 300. So that's all I have for you guys tonight, and I hope that helps, and I'll definitely